Is Snapchat throwing you the dreaded Ss06 error, leaving you locked out of your snaps? Don't panic, you're not alone, and I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it in under 2 minutes. First, let's try the easiest solution: clear Snapchat's cache. Head over to your phone settings. I'm on Android, but the process is similar on iOS. Scroll down until you find Apps or Application Manager, tap on it. Now find Snapchat in your list of installed apps. It might take a second, so just keep scrolling. Tap on Snapchat, then tap on Storage, or sometimes it's called Storage and Cache. You'll see 2 buttons, Clear Cache and Clear Data. Very important, only tap Clear Cache. Clearing data will reset the app and you'll have to log in again. If clearing the cache didn't work, let's try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. Long press the Snapchat icon on your home screen, and tap Uninstall, or Remove App, and confirm. This will completely remove the app from your phone. Now, go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, search for Snapchat, and tap Install. Once it's installed, open Snapchat and log in with your username and password. Hopefully, the Ss06 error is now gone, and you can get back to snapping.